If we go into utils, there's a read underscore config.py file. And if we look in the config folder, we have a config.ini. We have sections, pet, framework. We've got one URL here. We've got the version number. If we want to read that in programmatically, we go to the read config.py file. The code is here. We set the file, the directory. And in fact, what I'm going to do is move that up top here. We set up a config parser. This is sort of standard Python reading.ini files. Get the location of the config using the path object, read it, and we've got a couple of functions here to get the pet URL. And if we look at this file, we get the pet and URL, and we also get the version number. It's in the section of framework. Its key is version, and there we see it here. What we can do is go to Python utils and read. We run that. We can see we get output the base directory, the pet API. And in the file here, we've just used this. We can actually take this out when we no longer need it, but we can print the pet API and the version. So this is how you can customize your config.ini. You can create others, and using the read underscore config file, you can create your own set of config.ini readers. You may have several .ini files, but this is how to read your .ini file in the PyTest Full-Stack.